Kilree Tower and High Cross. A short distance from Kells lies Kilree, home to a striking round tower and an impressive high cross, both dating from the early medieval period. The round tower, standing over 30 metres tall, was likely built in the 9th century and served as a bell tower and refuge for the monks of Kilree in times of Viking raids. Nearby, the Kilree High Cross. Another significant religious site is St. Brigid's Church, located near the village. This medieval church, although now in ruins, was once a thriving place of worship. Dedicated to St. Brigid, one of Ireland's patron saints, the church is surrounded by an ancient graveyard, where local families have been buried for generations. The remnants of this church offer a glimpse into the religious life of medieval Kells and its surrounding communities. Kilree monastic site. This monastery is said to have been founded by St. Brigid, but nothing as early as the 6th century survives. The church was originally a single-cell building of the 10th or 11th century. It is entered through a lintelled doorway in the west wall and has ante-projections of the side walls past the exterior end walls at both east and west ends. To the northwest of the church is the round tower, which is missing its conical cap, but is otherwise complete. It was probably built in the 11th century. Its round-arched doorway faces the doorway of the church, as was the custom in round towers. The late 8th or early 9th century high cross, now in a field nearby, is complete apart from its capstone and is highly decorated with interlace and geometric motifs. 4 scenes are tightly packed into the narrow end of the south arm of the crosshead. The 2 upper scenes cannot be identified, but that on the bottom left may be Jacob and the angel, and that on the bottom right may be David and the lion. These scenes were used to illustrate stories from the Bible during sermons at the cross. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. It would help my channel in the algorithm. Thank you.